Hello again. Thanks for coming back for part 2. We did Ron. Now what about Barney? We can't leave Barney out. We've got to bling him up and make him look super cool. Now, you know how this works. I'm not going to hang around and tell you how it works. All I'm going to say is please do like, subscribe and comment. Please comment what you would like to see next. Do you want to see another bling up? Do you want to see a mashup? Do you want to see something else? Let me know down in the comments and we'll chat soon. Here's Barney. Alright, so here's original Barney. I'm going straight in with the shades. I know it looks like a pirate eye patch. First of all, it's not a pirate. We could do a pirate up. That would be quite cool. Maybe we'll do that. Think of a character that would look good as a pirate. We'll do that. Anyway, so he's got his regular specs. We're going to fill them in with some cool shades. I like to use purples and blues in the shades to make them look kind of mirrored. There's that kind of cool effect on there. So you get lighter as you go up to the top there. Look at that. He's looking boss already, isn't he? He's so much cooler. I think he's born to be cool, this guy. Okay, so what else can we do to cool him up a little bit? I think we've got to goth his tee out a little bit. Make him look a bit more rocky, maybe. This is it. So yeah, I'm going to change his shirt from green to a kind of dark grey black, but it still looks pretty cool. And then what we're going to do to make it even cooler, yeah, that's right, we're going to stick a skull on it. Of course we are, because that is rock and roll, and it's very awesome. What else is cool? Well, bolts of lightning are, obviously, because that's what we have on the background of CaptainFishbeard.com. So it's obviously the coolest. So we're giving him a really cool rocky kind of shirt there. And I think to finish him off, he just needs some highlights in that hair. So I'm just going to draw directly over the top here with these. Look at that. And then we'll darken the bottom bits just to give it a bit more contrast. Try your own bling ups. These are so much fun to do. We've made him look awesome here. He looks like he's going to a real cool gig or something. Love Barney's never looked so good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Let me know who you want me to bling up next, or even pirate up next. I'd love to hear your suggestions for those. But I will see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com. Bye for now.